Hey guys, it's Tiara and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this yellow look with chunky glitter and glitter on top as well with these fluffy lashes and this highlighter, which isn't actually a highlighter. You gotta stay tuned to figure out what that is. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and if you want to see how I got this, then keep on watching. Too many of the same colored looks, so someone said to do yellow, so yellow is what I will attempt to do. So I'm gonna go off camera and do these bad boys, and I'm going to use dip brow and dip brow gel. I might use one or the other, it depends on what kind of brow I'm going for. So I'll be right back with my brows done so we can start the look. Okay, so I did my eyebrows using dip brow and dip brow gel, and then I just primed my eyes with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I used the lighter one is light ivory and the darker one is medium deep tan. I used this one first and I used this one over so it'll make my colors pop because I am using yellow, so gotta make this color. I'm gonna go into my Juvia's Place Zulu palette. And I'm going to use this yellow shade right there. I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics brush. I don't know the number. I've had these brushes for a long time, so the number is rubbed off. But I will try to find it and put it, well, I'll just find it because it came in a set. So I'll put the set in the description bar down below. So I'm just going to use this and just pack the color on. Okay, so now that I've got it packed into the shape that I want, I'm going to use the blending brush now and still pick up some of the color and just going to blend that out. Okay, so this is what I've got so far. I feel like I should use another color to blend it out more. Not that this isn't that this is bad, but I kind of want to. I think I'm gonna take Cabana out of the Riviera palette from Anastasia. You can't even see because my lights are so bright. There we go. I'm gonna take this color and I'm gonna use that to blend out the yellow. And now I'm just gonna go into the Zulu palette again and get the yellow and re-intensify the yellow, the original yellow that I put down. Cabana shade out of the Anastasia palette. It's very dusty. It's a dusty color, so a little dusty, so it did blend away the yellow a little too much. So I'm just gonna go back and re-intensify. So this is what we have so far, and I'm really liking it so far. So next, what I wanted to do is use the gold Inheritance from the, see, this is so bright. Okay, this gold right here. I want to use that gold on the lid because I'm going to do a glitter, chunky glitter kind of thing. So I'm gonna use that color, and I'm going to use the same BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm just gonna get, I have my spray bottle here, so I'm just gonna use water. I'm gonna take it, the same fluffy brush, the same yellow, and we're just gonna blend the edges so that it doesn't look so harsh. So I just want to mention, I don't know if you guys are gonna see it, but I'm gonna zoom in a little. And you can see that I did get some fallout from the shimmer. I did go in with my finger, so maybe that's why, but there was a little fallout. This is my second time using this palette, so I just wanted to let anybody know who's just bought it and who just happened to stumble across my little channel. The shimmers do have a little bit of fallout. This is what we got. I have this glitter palette. There we go. Cosmetics, and I was thinking about using this gold. Okay, so I'm gonna use glitter glue. This is the NYX glitter primer, and I'm gonna use that, And I'm just gonna use my finger because no reason to use a brush. So I'm just gonna take that yellow shade that I showed you guys, and I'm just gonna take it on my finger, and I'm just gonna pack it on the lid. Now I'm gonna take the blending brush, no extra product, try to blend it a little. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this eye, do my base, and I'll come right back and we'll do the bottom lash line. Okay, I know I look casket ready, but I'm going to bronze and stuff. Hopefully that'll help bring some color back into my face, because girl, she looked like a ghost. She looked like a real.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
We're gonna use the contour kit from BBH, and I'm gonna use these two colors. This one first, this one to contour, and yeah, I'll point to it. I'm gonna use that lighter, like, ow. I'm gonna use this warmer one here to bring back color. So I'm just gonna put it here and bring it up to my temples. Dig my brush into this because she needs some color back in her face. See, I don't. What is that? I look like that on this side. I don't know. It's bothering me. I'm gonna go try to fix this, and I will be right back because that's really bothering me. Okay, so I think I fixed it. It looks much better. I just used a little bit of this powder from the contour kit. Next we're gonna do highlight, and I went to try, or should I do eyes? I'm gonna do mascara, so I'm gonna use what I always use, my Too Faced Better Than Sex, and I'm gonna put that on my top lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry before I do my lashes. And for my under eye, I'm gonna use this glitter from Badass. It's Badass or Badass because it's Z's instead of S's, but I'm gonna use this gold chunky glitter. It's holographic, and I'm gonna use that under my eye. Disclaimer. Chunky eye glitters are not technically eye safe, even though they're cosmetic grades. They can get in your eye. Well, actually, it's better, don't use craft glitter. Please don't use craft glitter on your eyes. It's just too much of a risk. You can scratch your cornea, go blind. Don't do that, okay? Cosmetic grade eye glitters are okay. The smaller ones, those are perfectly safe. You can't get them in your eye, you know, but try not to. With the chunky glitters, it's still the same risk. You can get them in your eye and they can scratch, but they're still cosmetic grade, so it's very hard to explain. But just be careful using chunky glitters. That's what I'm trying to say. Be careful, because I don't need nobody scratching their eyes saying, oh, I was doing Tiara's look from the other day on YouTube. No, I'm not. Please, I don't need to be getting sued by nobody. I ain't got no money. I'm broke. I'm going to school. Please be safe. Be careful, guys, please. So I'm gonna use this under my eye for a little pop. I'm gonna use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, the glitter, because I find that with chunkier glitters, it's better to use a lash glue. It sticks better. I'm gonna take the same yellow from the palette and the same packing brush, and I'm just gonna put a little base of yellow so that it has something to stick, something to like be in the background of it. So I applied the chunky glitter, and I'm actually really loving how this looks. I love how my base looks. It looks dry, but it looks, you know, flawless, you know. And I'm gonna try to fix the dryness with the setting spray. But now we have left to do is put on highlighter and do my base. I mean my lips, my base. So I wanted to try something, and this could probably ruin the whole look, but I have this Estee Edit Fluid Middle eyeshadow. I got it from a warehouse sale from Estee Lauder. And you know, it's a liquid eyeshadow, but when you put it on, it's so weird. It's like kind of like translucent. It's like there's no base color to it. It's just pure like shimmer. And I tried it on my skin earlier, like just on bare skin. It's really nice to highlight. So I'm gonna try it. Let's pray. Cross your fingers, cross your toes, cross your butt cheeks, and let's see how this looks. So I just put it on my hand, and I'm just gonna like this. This is horrible. Oh, that doesn't look bad at all. What's doing? I'm about to do this something. Hold on. I'm just gonna pull a little more and glue it on. I've not used this yet. This is my first time using it, so we're learning together. And this might just be my highlight. Like, I might not need to put anything on top of it. I really like how this looks. I might have to rename the look. This look. This is giving me. This whole look's giving me Coachella. Like, I don't know if you guys can even see that. Let me try and zoom in. Can you see that? It's like subtle. It's. Shall I try it with a brush? I'm scared. I'm gonna try it though, cause I'm a daredevil. So I'm gonna try it. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my god. Wow, it looks wet. It literally looks wet. I like this. Alright, let's say Laura, you might have just this. I'm gonna have to go pick up a couple of these. Hold on. Should have got more than one. This is giving me. Oh, it's literally. I'm so sorry for ignoring my dog. Now she wants to chase this ball. This is like. Wow, that looks wet, bro. Oh my god. Okay, I'm like shook. So I'm gonna fix my brows, and I'm just gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. I'm acting like the crazy person. Like, I don't know what these products are. Like, I haven't been using these. So just wipe off the excess. Make sure you don't have a lot, because a lot does come on the brush. You don't want to make it too dark, because it is like dip brow. Like, it's just in like a liquid form. Like a liquid crystal lip topper. So I'm just gonna put this on my lips gloss, because yeah, I don't think I need. Oh, you see that? Do y'all see that? Amazing. Okay, so this is how the look came out. So now I just need to put on my hair, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I don't know, I just felt like it's wearing my blonde bombshell wig or whatever. She's not really blonde, she's like a honey blonde. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoy this look. I will post it on Instagram, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.